What kind of 10's?
DDX.
DDX?
DDX 10's. Skar. They're 1,000 watt RMS, 50 max.
Nice. And what kind of power?
I got two 3500's on the subs. They're only up halfway right now.
Mm-hmm.
I just picked the truck up Wednesday. So
Nice.
breaking it in.
And but just for the before we even start, I just want to let everybody know he's down one subwoofer, and we don't know which one it is because it's so pretty back here. You ain't about to test this stuff out at a show, so don't be looking for that. I see something else up there. Is that a voltmeter? Is that your battery?
Yeah.
Nice.
You're gonna see how fast it drops off too. I gotta get it off.
That's nice though. Nice battery monitor. Got Skar, like 8s. 6.5? No, those 6.5s. Okay.
Yeah, 6.5. There's 2 8s or 4 8s console, 6.5s all the doors. I got packs in the front, and then I got Neo 8 pack or Neo 6.5. Won't you be my
That is nice. I was not expecting that.
That's my first show.
Gave me a little ear screw there.
I know that one, the highs, they're bright. They're really
No. I'm talking about from the base.
Oh.
I wasn't expecting that.
You got a little something.
Oh, yeah, you got a little something. Definitely. Oh, man. Y'all don't want to see this, do y'all? Okay. Very clean, sir.